In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out to Shein. If you've been browsing, adding items to your bag, or just checking orders on a shared device, logging out is a simple but important way to keep your account secure. I'll walk you through it on the official Shein website and share a few quick tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Shein official website in your browser. You can do this on a computer or a mobile browser. Make sure you're really on the official site. Look for a secure connection indicator in your address bar and avoid any odd-looking web addresses that don't match the brand. If the site asks you to confirm your region or language as it loads, choose the correct option so the layout matches what you're used to. Give the page a moment to fully load before moving on. Next, tap or click the profile icon. On desktop, this is usually at the top right of the page and looks like a small person's silhouette. Sometimes, it may also show your account name when you're signed in. On a phone browser, it can appear near the top right or at the bottom navigation bar, depending on your screen size. If you don't see it immediately, close any pop-ups or banners and scroll slightly. It's almost always in a consistent spot. When you open the profile menu, you'll see your account options, like orders, wishlist, and settings. From there, click Sign Out or Log Out. The option is typically at the bottom of the profile drop-down menu or within the account section after you tap the icon. Select it once and wait a second for the page to refresh. If the site asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm to complete the process. You'll know you've successfully logged out when the site shows options like sign in or register instead of your account name, and the profile menu no longer displays your personal account details. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you're on a public or shared computer, consider closing the browser tab after logging out. If the page still looks like you're signed in, refresh the page to update your session. And if you use a password manager, it may offer to fill your details again. Just ignore that prompt if you're intentionally signing out. That's it. Open the official website, tap the profile icon, and click Sign Out. Simple, fast, and a smart move for your privacy every time you're done shopping.